Benefits: it does invigorate the vaginal tissue in postmenopausal women and can lessen the discomfort associated with intercourse in women who are in a low estrogen state. Well, with any medication, you always have to go over the pros and cons, and for Osphena, things are no different. You want to ask your healthcare provider about the risks, the benefits, and the alternatives or options. Now, when you talk about a drug like Osphena, the risks are considerable. Like any medication, this is a pill you take every single day, so it is being absorbed all over the body, even though it's working in an estrogen positive manner, really just in and around the vagina. But side effects of Osphena: hot flashes, excessive sweating, vaginal discharge, an increase of urinary tract infections, and a slight increase in clotting, just as you would see with any other hormone or hormonal-like medication. Benefits: it does invigorate the vaginal tissue in postmenopausal women and can lessen the discomfort associated with intercourse in women who are in a low estrogen state. But there are also alternatives, and there are a number of very good, very safe and effective alternatives, both prescription medication and natural over-the-counter.